What's up guys, today we'll unbox the G.Skill RGB DDR5 Trident Z5 Neo. So this particular G.Skill RAMs are great for AMDs. Not only this particular brand and the model, but also this speed and latencies. So we got a 6000 megahertz 2x16, so this is of course 32 gigabytes is enough for gaming. CL30 XMP 3.0 plus EXPO. So let's get it started in unbox, guys. The G.Skills. Let's see what is inside the box. As it comes right now, RAMs are about 3.5-4 times the price it was like a year ago, so this was quite expensive if you ask me. But I got it on a pretty good deal, about 400 USD, 450 USD, something like that. So let me know in the comments, guys, how much you paid for yours. If you're searching for this video, I'm pretty sure that you are a PC gamer, so you probably want the best of the best when it comes to performance, and you came here to check out this particular RAM. If you did your research about what is best for your PC, how to get the most FPS out of your system. So that looks like it's the front, but this will make the RAM fall out. So let's take it out this way. Or actually, let's see what happens here. No instructions this time. Oh yeah, that's precious items, so I have to be very careful with it. Yeah. Okay, let's get a little close up. The RAMs look beautiful. Trident Z Neo 5 RGBs. Let's take them to the side. Check out what do we got here from G.Skill. And we got some sticker as well, guys. Very important. How to enable XMP EXPO guide. So this is very important for you guys. If you're building a PC like that, you need to go through the BIOS to, first of all, update your BIOS for the newest output, so it gets you the best performance. That's the first thing. The second thing is, of course, or the more important, the first thing should be turning on the XMP profiles or the AMD EXPO profile on your motherboard to check if it's all running right. Update the BIOS and install chipset drivers, guys, for your particular processor. So if you go for AMD and you have the 3D cache, your Windows needs to know what it's supposed to do with that insane amounts of 3D cache. So here we got the unboxing of the Trident Z Neo RGB. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know in the comments below how much you paid for yours. They were around 125, I believe, back then. Now, as I said, 450 USD. Let's round it about to 430 USD. See you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.